Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Amazon product video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to easily download Amazon product videos, you can simply use a browser extension like AMZ Downloader or a similar tool like that. So these extensions detect videos on the product page and provide a download button. Alternatively, you can also use a third-party software that allows you to download the videos from a given URL. So you need to first of all install a browser extension like AMZ Downloader or a Video Download Helper for your browser. Once you have done this, you need to visit the product page. You need to now go to the Amazon product page with the video you want to download and start playing that particular video. After you have done this, the extension will usually detect a video and display a download icon or button, and now you need to click on it to start the download. After this, the video will be downloaded and saved to your computer or designated video folder. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.